Hello, happy woodworkers, man here with Heartwood Art. See how I use Claude AI to generate a cut list for my project. Now this will work with many other AIs like ChatGPT too. I just think Claude is better at the math than the rest of them. And be sure to subscribe to this channel for more helpful woodworking tips. Okay, let's dive in. To get started, go to Claude AI. Now you will need an account with Anthropic to use the Claude chatbot, but it's free. And once you're there, it will look like this. Now for a cut list, you only need 3 pieces of information: the length of the full board that you'll be purchasing, the length of the cut you'll be making, and the kerf width of your saw. Now for the kerf, on a typical saw, the kerf width is 1/8 inch. For thin kerf blades, you'll need to measure it. Now, if you'll be making multiple cuts of the same length, then you'll need that total number too. And you don't need the height or the width of the boards. We're just concerned about length here. Now, I'm going to give you 2 examples of prompts. And here's the first one. And it's on cuts that are the same length. I have 8-foot boards. I'll be making 4 cuts at 26 inches each. My saw blade's curve is 1/8 inch. How many boards do I need? And then hit send message. Now Claude's going to give you the explanation of its reasoning. It shows you all of the math. And then it says board 1, you can cut 3 pieces, and board 2, you can cut 1 piece. And that's going to give you plenty left over for future cuts. So here's the second example. It's where the cuts are all different lengths. So here's my new prompt. I have 8-foot boards. I'll be making the following cuts: 12 boards at 15 inches, 12 boards at 5.75 inches, 2 boards at 4 inches. My saw blade's curve is 1/8 inch. How many boards do I need, and how can I cut them for the least amount of waste? So we're going to send that message. And here it gave me its reasoning again. It tells me the cuts I can make, the length used, and how much waste there is. Now you can scroll down and see the rest of its thinking. And then at the very end, it shows me a cutting tip. Now let's scroll back up here and look at the waste. When using AI to determine an optimal cut list, I would take the scrap total per board with a grain of salt. All of mine have turned out a little bit shorter, but not by much. The main reason for this is due to the dimensional lumber I've used for my projects. Not all of them have been exactly the full length that I entered into the prompt. So if the board is short, the cut and waste calculations will not be accurate. Plus, if I use dimensional lumber, I like to trim the edge to ensure it's square, which makes the board a wee bit shorter too. Now, for the most part, this isn't an issue, but if the AI reports that you can get all of your cuts from a single board with 0 or very little waste, I plan on either getting 2 boards or measure the board before you bring it home. And be super careful with your cut measurements, including kerf allowance. Okay, that's it. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for more helpful woodworking tips, and I'll see you in the shop.